Hello everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Super Kitchen, and today I will be making an ice cream cake. And to make the ice cream cake, first of all I need vanilla ice cream. Second, I need white chocolate bar and dark chocolate bar. And third, I need cupcakes. So with all this I'm going to make vanilla ice cream cake. So it's not completely vanilla ice cream cake, but then it's my creation, it's fusion, so I'm mixing everything. You can mix whatever you want, and I bet it's going to taste yummy. So let's see how to make it. Done. Now refrigerate it at least for 8 hours. That's all, and I will show you the final result after 8 hours. So meet you with you after 8 hours. Okay people, so here is the final plating of my ice cream cake, and I will just, it's still really, here it is. So this is how the inside looks, and I have put in cake, white chocolate, dark chocolate, and this will be really yummy. I don't have that fancy ice cream cutter so I'm doing it with spoon, but I'm sure you'll be able to make it more professionally. But this is really yummy guys. Movie and this, it's amazing. So here you go. So please like and subscribe my channel, and also let me know how you're liking my recipes, and don't forget to hit the notification bell